So my studio is a mess, a hot mess. And because my studio is a mess, I can't really function and do the things that I need to do. So we are going to be giving my studio a little bit of a makeover today. The setup is a little bit different today, but my name is Kaiman if you're new here. If you're not new here, welcome back to the family, Kylandia. And I'm gonna be doing something that I haven't done on my channel yet. I'm gonna clean up, and I got some new equipment today, so all the things that I just purchased will be in the description box below if you want to purchase that same thing or check it out, see if it's something that you're into. But I think it is a game changer and we're gonna have fun, so let's get into it. It's so much junk. Like, we have shoes over there, like table. I have another table somewhere else that I'm gonna bring into here with like more stuff, and then there's just this entire junk drawer that's not a drawer, that's just a bunch of layers of junk. So I'm gonna get into that. But I also bought a rug for this area because it's just like wood. So I'm gonna put it somewhere in the middle here. I have so many paintings that I need to frame, and this one is one of them. If you haven't seen that video, me trying gouache for the first time, go check it out. It is amazing, and it is now my favorite medium. But I'm gonna frame it in this little like frame that I bought from Walmart. It's not special, but this plus this will make it special, and that's all that matters. Like, it doesn't have to be special. It doesn't have to be a crazy frame. Alright, so I just finished hanging up some of my pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 paintings, and it looks good. It looks good so far. The walls don't look as empty, so I do like that. But I'm probably gonna end up buying some lights for the walls eventually, battery operated, because electricity bill, no joke. So that's gonna be added. Maybe it'll go in between here, I'm thinking, like in between this one and this one. There's still so much work to do, so let's keep going. Let's keep going. It's looking better though, it's looking better. So first I just take a push pin and then I like put it where I want the paint tube to go. Right there looks about right. And then I'm just like, I have it going down like a line right now, but you can do whatever like shape. It'd be cool if somebody did like a circle of paint tubes. That would be beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's keep going. There's still so much to do. Even when it's blackout, know the back sunny. Keep it just a stack for me. My bank account ain't look too hot, I think it need a break. All my niggas say I work too hard, but I know it's a shame. Even when I call my mama, I have to tell her that I'm straight. Wait. So I'm about to do the rug, and I have to take it out of the package. This is the rug. It's a 5x7, so I hope it's gonna be big enough. I think it's gonna be big enough. I don't think the space is like that huge. Okay. It's so cute. It's like a deep blue, and it's not too blue. It's not like royal blue. It's like midnight blue. It's cute. It's cute. I love it. I love it. So I have to put my 2 chairs in, and I also have a beanbag chair that I'm gonna roll down and put kind of like in the corner of the rug. So it's like a little chill, relaxing area, kind of somewhere in the corner. You will see. And it will be cute. It will be. So I'm almost done cleaning my studio. I'm like 85% done. I just finished laying down the rug. I have the beanbag chair in the back. As you can see, I'm gonna show you. I put my white tables in here, so that's looking good. And we're almost done. I just have a couple of paints that I need to move over to this area because I like to paint everywhere. So we're gonna move that over here, and after that, I feel like I should be done. But I'm gonna show you what I have so far, so let's go take a look. This is what we're working with. I think it looks great. I actually think it looks really good. So, like I said, beanbag chair over here. And then I have these checkerboard pillows that I bought a while back. So those are like in the beanbag chair. So let's talk about the other side of the room. I have this standing desk that I've officially cleaned off. There's like no more dust, no more debris. So this is kind of like my work from home desk because I'm not like fully work from home, but I'm like a mixture. So I'm like hybrid. Sometimes I'm home, sometimes I'm at work. So that's what this desk is for. Times that I am at home, I have this cute little pot to stare at all the time. Now, if this doesn't remind you of Soul Eater and you don't know what that is, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't know what to tell you. How about you go look it up? Do your research and go look up Soul Eater. But I have this pop of Deku and some more of my paintings hanging up here. This big boy. If you want to see how that guy made, that's also on my channel. This silk screen print that I did when I was in high school. So I have more books down here and my sketchbook and those two little vases that you always see, at least recently. And that's kind of the space for the most part. I just bought this desk tripod from Amazon and it is amazing. It is amazing. It moves back like this. This piece, I obviously have it like super tight, so I can't move like every piece of it right now because I have it like set up for me to film. But this piece moves back and forth. This piece right here goes up and down. So this bolt makes it go up and down. Then you have this bolt right here, this like piece here, that makes it go up and down. So that's one leg. This is another leg. I'm gonna be using my light for that piece back there. I'm actually gonna put it on real quick to show you what that's gonna look like. Look at how sick that is. Like, that is so sick. And it's not even like super crazy. I'm gonna put the links in the description, like I said, so you can like kind of get an idea of how much this stuff costs. But this is my favorite setup by far. This, worth it. It was like $80 on Amazon, but it was on sale when I got it, so it was like $60. And then this little piece right here, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it better. Okay, so this little piece that I bought, I had to buy it separate. Now that's the only thing that was like, man, like, cause I was so excited about the whole tripod situation. But then when I looked at it, I was like, wait, how do I like move my camera like 360 all the way around for whatever angle I wanted to be at? And I was like, oh, looked back at the picture and it's like, oh, it doesn't come with this little piece. So make sure you get this little piece right here. So then you can like 360 everything. If you're thinking about getting it, this was $9. So worth it. So I know this looks gross and you're probably wondering what is this? But this is my paint palette and it's been collecting paint for a while now and I need it to be clean. Like, I need this to be handled. Just so you know, the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda, the combo works. The combo is legit. The proof is in the pudding. Studio is finally clean. I've spent so much time on the floor and sweeping and around so many dust particles. There's probably dust bunnies so far up my nose. It's okay.
Allergies.
But this studio is now clean and I can't wait to show you what it looks like. So let's see the sexy shots. So you guys saw me clean up the entire studio today and it was fun. It was a blast. Now I am so exhausted. It literally took me like 2 days to clean up this itty bitty space because I have other stuff to do and other videos that I'm also filming for you guys. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, join the family, join the club. Okay, we got stuff coming out all the time. Go check out my other videos if you haven't seen those. They are bangers, they slap. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, thanks for watching. I appreciate you, your time, and your eyes for staring at me for so long. But I do love you. Even if you watched half of this video and you didn't watch the full video, but you at least watched half of it, I am still claiming you. You are still part of Kylandia, so like you cannot leave. You have been forced. I'm holding you against your will, so you kind of have to stay. Anyways, I will see you in the next one, and thank you again. Bye. Like chocolate, dummy thick, ain't it obvious? Super fine, accomplished, new body accomplished. Sugar, honey, iced tea, sweet, ain't nothing stopping you. Trying to get a taste of my own. Calling you out like Sierra Leone. I'm on. Never mind, that's a boast. Doing anything I can to keep you up on the phone. You don't wanna be known. I don't want that either. Lying